Hi, everyone. More denture talk from Dr. Elisa Kauffman. Today, I'd like to talk about denture teeth. They don't feel like your real teeth. They're not a replacement for real teeth. They are a replacement for having no teeth. You heard me. No teeth. It's a prosthesis. You've seen people in the Paralympics with one leg on their second leg that's a prosthesis. It takes time. It takes the will to get used to it. Chewing will feel differently at first, but guess what? Then it feels great. So don't lose hope. Wear your new teeth. Get used to them. Get used to them. You heard me.